Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy avocado salsa verde. This is a super easy and also delicious recipe that's like super easy to whip together at a moment's notice. It only takes minutes and it's perfect for parties or any sort of a gathering. And it's definitely one of those recipes that I think you need to keep in your wheelhouse. So let me show you how to make it. All right guys, I got my ingredients and station all set up here. Really for this recipe, it's 8 ingredients, simple ingredients, and a blender. Very easy to make, like I said. So first ingredient is avocado, obviously. So it's very important to choose a good ripe avocado for this recipe. If you don't have a ripe enough avocado, it's not gonna be very creamy. So what you really wanna do when you're in the store, you just kind of feel it. You'll feel the flesh gives a little bit. That's nice and ripe. So gonna go ahead and just slice this in half here, carefully, like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop it into the blender. It's gonna make creamy, delicious salsa. All right, got my avocado in. Next is tomatillos. I have a ½ pound of tomatillos. And tomatillos are different from green tomatoes. And these are gonna add a nice tartness. And tomatillos are used in a lot of verdes. So just a rough chop on everything. And you gotta peel if they have their little outer husks on them. Give it a rinse. Just a rough chop here. It's getting blended anyway, so don't have to go crazy. And next I have a quarter of a white onion. A rough chop is good. You can use a sweet onion or yellow. Into the food processor. And here I have a couple of serranos. So you can use one serrano, or if you want it to be milder, use a jalapeno. And you can core it out for even more mild flavor, milder heat. But I'm using 2 serranos because I do like it spicy. All right, and I got some garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic here. You can smash or quick chop. And you can definitely add more garlic if you'd like. And I'm gonna use about a quarter cup of chopped cilantro. Just kind of winging it. It's about a quarter cup. That's about right. Maybe a little more. All right, and lime. So this is a fresh lime. I'm gonna use just half of a lime to start, because you can always adjust for lime later. All right, into the processor here. Oh yeah, that's a juicy lime, juicy. And salt to taste, my friends. This is your personal preference. And now, the hard part of the day, process. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up. Blender. Boom, look at that. Yes, salsa. Oh yeah, it's like a smoothie. So at this point, you can adjust for salt and lime, just give it a taste. Squeeze a little bit more in if you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to a bowl. Got a couple of cups here, a little bit more than a couple of cups. Look at how creamy it is, yum. Boom, you can garnish it if you want, little cilantro sprig on top. So a couple things, a couple of tips. Number one is, you can easily adjust the ingredients. So if you want more tart tomatillos in there, you could easily double tomatillos. And you could dial back if you want on the avocado. You know, you can use like half of an avocado. And you can definitely use hotter peppers. If you want to use hotter than serrano, throw a habanero in there, or get crazy, ghost pepper or hotter. Really as hot as you want it to be. And you can also use some seasonings and spices if you want to. I just have salt and let everything shine, but if you want a little cumin in there, a little paprika or some Mexican blend spices, absolutely delicious. All right, let's give it a taste, my friends. Grab a chip. So creamy. That is nice and fresh. The true embodiments of a verde. Yo, I could eat this all day. It's good. So that's it, my friends. That's how you make a creamy avocado salsa verde. Super, super easy, right? Super delicious. You can whip this up anytime during the week. I'd really love to hear what you think of the recipe below. And if you're looking for some more amazing recipes, boom and boom right here. They're popping up. Which one are you gonna make? So, all right, yeah, hope to see you in the kitchen next time. And it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. See you later. Bye.